Somewhere in the news is being said that the birthplace of marijuana has been discovered. And while we can't pinpoint the exact location where this magnificent flower first bloomed, we now know it originated somewhere in East Asia. And for those challenged by geography, it's like China, Japan, Korea, that part of the world, even including Taiwan. But the bigger truth is this, that people have been cultivating the weed for thousands of years, ever since we first learned to plant crop. But of course, none of this surprises this old man. It's kind of sad, though, that here in America, it's taken us a little bit longer than those where the weed was first cultivated to recognize all the health benefits of the weed. I mean, who the fuck cares if I'm stoned as long as my Parkinson's is under control? But that is just an analogy, because I don't have Parkinson's.